Hey guys, how you doing? This is James Paradise Harris here. I'm coming live. We are here in Mexico. I'm in Mexico right now, and we're on the rooftop here. Here, follow me around here. Let's take a little video. I'm hanging out in the Caribbean. We're about 5 minutes from the Caribbean Sea in Mexico. We're on the rooftop here. And if you have been following me, or you're just starting to follow me on social media, right now you're probably watching this video somewhere, probably on YouTube. I have a brand new ebook. I have a brand new book I wrote. I wrote it literally in 3 days, called My Paradise Lifestyle. Here, come over here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get out of the sun real quick. My Paradise Lifestyle. Okay, there's the book. And it's all online. And I want you to download it. And I want you to read this book. It teaches you how I learned how to live a paradise lifestyle. Now let me tell you what that is real quick, okay? A paradise lifestyle is being able to, I'm putting on my Mexican hat here, okay? All right. A paradise lifestyle is learning how to live your life, doing whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. I don't have a boss. I don't have a job. I don't sit in traffic. I live in the Caribbean. I live in the Caribbean, in a tropical place in the world, right now, Mexico. Now, I've been traveling the world for almost 3 years. I've been to 23 countries, and you will not believe my story. I have failures and successes and failures and successes, and I made millions of dollars and I lost it all. And then I learned how to make it back. You have to read this story. It's called My Paradise Lifestyle. And then at any time while you're reading the book, below this video, just go to the description. I will show you how to get the book, okay? And my hat is falling off here. I will show you how to get the book. Below this video, go to the description. You can click on many links and get the book. And I want you to read how I created a paradise lifestyle. I am the happiest human being in the world. I do whatever I want every day. Nobody tells me what to do. I do whatever I want. If you love that idea and you want to learn how to live a paradise lifestyle, I want you to read my book. Okay? No charge. It's complimentary. Go below this video in the description. Go to the description below this video and I will show you how to get the book. You can get it many ways. It's right on Google. It's live. It's electronic. It's online. You can click on a link, download it in 1 second, read my book, and then contact me and my team if you want me to personally show you how to get your own paradise lifestyle. I'll see you soon.